How to fix the Discord error code 2012. So typically you'll see this error message when a stream fails to load. Now to go and fix this, load up the Discord app and then click on the settings bar in the bottom left hand side. You'll then need to scroll down this page and click on streamer mode. Now where it says automatically enable streamer mode, make sure this option is turned on and enabled. You also want to make sure enable streamer mode is turned on. Now from the left hand side, click on advanced. Next to hardware acceleration, typically you want to have this turned on. Now if it's already turned on, you can try toggling it to off. You'll then need to reload Discord and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, open up your start menu. You can then search for run and click on the run icon. In this search box, type in %, app data, %, and press enter. Now double click on Discord and you'll see a couple of folders here called cache. Now go and click on the cache folder and press delete. Now if you get the message saying it can't be deleted, you'll just need to close out of the Discord app. So come down to your taskbar and right click on Discord and just press quit. Once it's completely shut down, press try again. You'll also need to delete code cache as well. And we're also going to delete these two cache folders here as well. Once you've done this, you can try reopening Discord and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your start menu and click on settings. From the left hand side, select network and internet and click on VPN. Now just make sure you're not connected to a VPN, as this can also cause issues with Discord. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.